Hi everyone, my Sephora Playbox got here today and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. So the first thing I pull out is this little card and it tells you more information about the products inside. Here's what the little bag looks like for this month. I love the color. So first up from Briogeo, this is a cream for frizz and it's also a heat protectant. Next up from NARS, this is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dance Fever. It's really pretty. Next up from Bare Minerals, this is their Dew Mist Setting Spray. This has kombucha ferment in it, which helps wake up the skin. It also has watermelon and apple extract to help hydrate the skin. So next up from Sunday Riley, this is the A+ High Dose Retinol Serum. This is going to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles and promote healthier skin. So next up from Glam Glow, this is their Super Toner Exfoliating Acid Solution. This is the first time I get anything from Glam Glow. Excited to use it. The last item in the box is from Clinique. This is Moisture Surge 72 Hours Auto Replenishing Hydrator. So this is a gel cream formula. As soon as you put it on, it's instant hydration for up to 72 hours. So that's about it. I really do like what I got in this month's box. Let me know if you guys got similar things. Not bad for $10. The link is down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.